Piocreat Particle G5 3D printer prints shoe soles using TPU material, which has the characteristics of high tensile force, aging resistance, high strength, and good toughness. It is widely used in the footwear industry. So what are the advantages of the 3D printing shoes? We all know that due to the special bone structure of the foot, the pressure when the foot is in contact with the ground is not very uniform. This requires the sole to deform according to the actual mechanical force. And 3D printing technology is particularly good at making matrix hollow structures. You can use the same TPU material to make soles with different positions, different mechanisms, and different densities. This leads to differences in elasticity and stiffness at these locations compared with the traditional shoe sole manufacturing process of batch cutting and integration of oil and pressure. This structure can not only reduce the weight of the sole but also increase the air permeability.